Here's our second headline.
The restoration of the walls of Gyeongbokgung Palace is likely to take more than a week, according to the Cultural Heritage Administration, after they were vandalized with graffiti on 2 occasions over the weekend.
문화재청은 지난 주말 2차례에 걸쳐 낙서로 훼손된 경복궁 담장의 복구 작업이 일주일 이상 걸릴 것으로 보인다고 밝혔습니다. Tell us more, Paul.
Yeah, so we had these 2 incidents of graffiti, of vandalism, one on Saturday and one on Sunday. So the one on Saturday, there was a 44-meter scribble put on the wall by this
Massive.
unidentified person. Yeah, we don't know who they are, just saying free movie. It's very strange, painted in red and blue spray paint. That was on the western gate to the palace and the palace walls near the National Palace Museum of Korea. Then Sunday, there was another piece of graffiti, 3 meters in length and about 1.8 meters tall, with names of a singer and an album in red. The second one, the man turned himself in on Monday. So he's a man in his 20s. They're questioning him whether anyone else was involved. The frustrating thing is they seem to have managed to dodge the security cameras. So we still don't know who did it on Saturday. But repairs and restoration are taking place now. There's a team of about 20 experts who are working on it. They're using specialized equipment. They've got chemicals, they've got steam cleaners, they've got laser technology. It's amazing what they can do now, but the frustrating thing is they shouldn't have to clean it in the first place.
Yeah.
This shouldn't have happened.
Yeah, even with all the technology, it's still going to take over a week.
Yeah, and it takes a lot of public money.
Sure.
And it takes I think it takes a toll on everyone when you have a national monument like this defaced and disgraced.
Very unfortunate. Let's have a look at the main expressions. The first one is vandalize.
I don't like this word, Sue.
Nor do
okay. Hopefully you never have to use this word in your life, but sometimes you do, and it's when someone deliberately causes damage or destroys property. Could be yours, could be public property, whatever it may be. It may be somebody spray painting. It could be somebody hitting something with a hammer. It could be breaking a window. It could be any sort of thing. The point is there's deliberate damage.
네, 공공 기물 파손을 vandalism이라고 하고요. 그 동사 형태가 vandalize, 공공 기물을 파손하다가 되겠습니다. 자, 그리고 in this case, the wall was vandalized with graffiti.
Yes, and graffiti is spray paint on a wall.
Yeah.
It could be words, it could be images, it could be what they call a tag. Some graffiti artists or vandals, maybe, would put their special name or their special logo. That's their tag. Graffiti generally has a negative nuance to it, but there's good graffiti out there. We think of Banksy, for example.
If it's done legally.
Well, yes,
you know.
That's the thing. So rather than graffiti in that case, you might use the word mural.
Oh, okay.
Which is to describe an outdoor painting on a wall or something like that. Yeah, so in this case, this is not good graffiti, and certainly it's vandalism.
I feel like for Banksy's artworks, sometimes it's referred to as graffiti art.
Well, yeah,
So
exactly,
it's
yes.
quite positive then.
I think, and then there's also a big difference between scrawling a name or scrawling a word and drawing a beautiful picture.
네, 그래피티라는 것 자체는 우리도 외래어로 쓰죠. 그래피티 이렇게요. 이 낙서라는 의미가 있고 벽에다가 그림을 그리거나 글씨를 쓰는 것을 말하는데 대체적으로는 부정적인 뉘앙스를 풍기나 상황에 따라서는 합법적으로 만약에 정말 예술품을 만들었다. 그러면은 이제 긍정적으로 볼 수도 있겠지만 지금 여기서는 그렇지 않죠.
네.
자, 다시 한번 읽어보겠습니다. The restoration of the walls of Gyeongbokgung Palace is likely to take more than a week, according to the Cultural Heritage Administration, after they were vandalized with graffiti on 2 occasions over the weekend. Let's take a